In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable message editing in Slack. So if Slack users are unable to edit their messages, or you are unable to edit your messages in Slack, then it means that this feature was disabled. So to enable it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Slack account and then head over to your Slack workspace name on top here. And under it, go to tools and settings. Now under this, head to settings option and choose workspace settings, and this will open a new tab. And from this, go under administration and then click on settings and permissions. Now under settings and permission here, choose permissions and then scroll down until you see message editing and deletion. You are told here you can choose when to allow message editing and deletion. So if you click on expand, you can see currently message editing is set to never. To enable it or to allow it, click on the drop down and then choose anytime. However, if you want to set expiry time on message editing, you can choose any, maybe up to 30 minutes after posting or 1 hour after posting. You can go ahead and set as you wish. Once you are done, now go ahead and click on save and the changes will be captured. From now henceforth, anyone who posts messages in Slack will be able to edit them if they wish to do so. So that's how you can enable message editing in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.